One, Meloncat is back, and I am doing a how-to video on how to do an exploding tree, like if you want to prank your friends and stuff. Yeah. Exploding trees. Amazing. Yeah. I am doing this off of the Minecraft handbook. It is not my creation, it is theirs. And so, yeah, I am going to do this for you guys. So first thing you want to do is you want to dig 2 blocks deep. And, oops. 5, and it has to be, oops. Crap, I keep messing this up. So, it has to be 2 blocks deep and 5 blocks long and 5 blocks wide. So let's get this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the center. Okay, do lining it up. It should be 2 away. 1, 2, yeah. Like this. Yeah, and, okay. Now I just need to widen it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 and 5. Long process. Do 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 do. Move out of my way, sheep. So yeah, it's supposed to look like this. So next thing I want to do is you want to grab your redstone, and you want to go down. You want to place 1 right underneath the tree. Yes, 1 right underneath the tree. And then you want to take blue wool, and you want to place it like this. So yeah, redstone in the middle, and place your wool like that. Then you want to go down, take your lever, and place, whoops. Did I seriously? Yes, I did. Which wood is it this? It's this. And you want to take your lever, go underneath and place. And then you want to take your redstone torch and you want to place it on the blocks on the side. Now this is called the exploding tree, so you're going to see what I mean. You're going to flick that lever. Crap, seriously? So what you're going to do is you're going to flick that lever. And you make sure you have to flick that lever. And then what you want to do is you want to put TNT in the corners like this. Right. Like that. And then you want to just cover it up with some dirt blocks. Oops. Do. like that. And one more spot. And so, like this, it goes like this. Oh, look, a tree. Might as well chop it down. Huh? What's that sound? Boom! You are dead. Your friend is dead. So yeah, this is the exploding tree. Yeah, the exploding tree trick, and it's a really good trick to try on your friends. It's awesome, amazing. I hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and yes, I have 2 videos, so I hope you enjoy these. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.